I'm looking to see if you can break out 54 level and go back to the retest of 52, 55 and then 258. I think it's nothing wrong at this point, still retesting it, hoping to break out the 254 and go to 255, the first target, and then the second target would be the 258. And let's see that does it make to that level or no. Right now, it is just chopping around. Uh, it's just like an afternoon kind of a stuff. But I think that the Tesla has a momentum. Is almost 3.4% up. S&P is not doing anything, but not selling off as well. Nasdaq is green. Uh, Seems to me that it will break out, but the point is that when you do not need to be the part of this chop. So let's see how does it work. Otherwise, I'm just gonna close this trade. Seems like this may be the candle if it's breakout over the prior resistance around 253.30 and 40. That could be, uh, give us the breakout piece. But let's see, still, it has to go over 253.50 first, then 254, and then, it's had the momentum, but every time it's trying to move up, it just, some resistance of people are selling on the top, and it's just pushed back down. So it's still healthy, but too much hop. Already, this is the candle I think we're waiting for it. Now, see, does it hold or is selling off? I think it's selling off. Not liking it. If it's hold over 253.20, then it may be the time it's gonna break out. But tape look heavy at this point. Still holding it. Um, we'll let you know if it's breakout. I'm pausing the video. I don't want to be making longer. Uh, but it's really momentum. Look and see how is the buyers keep coming up and then pushing the price up. So it's might gonna break out. I think it's breaking out now. So let's see. Let's hope for to go to retest 254 first and then to go to 255. Still not breaking out 253.50. And I think here you go. I think this is the breakout. Let's push to 254.20 now. Nice, very nice. I think this looks very, very good. I want this the one momentum candle to come in. One more minute, just continuation. I'm not gonna let go below 60 because I am holding too long. I'm hoping this to go break out to 54. Come on, go over. Good. Price is pushing up. I don't wanna let it go below the 60. It's still holding very nicely. 70. Come on, push, push. One more push. The volume started coming in. Still holding 60. Come on. Very nice. Very nice. I'm gonna take a partial on 80. Let's see if it's gonna break 54. Come on, don't let it come down now. We want this to push to 254. Nice. I think it's gonna go now test to 255. This is what we're waiting for a long now. I want this to continue to go and up to test the 255 or close to 254.40. I still have I only put it 50% off so far. I still have 50% share. If I can get the another 50 cents, which is basically 254.50 or 254.80, that would be an awesome. But I still feel that it's gonna go up to 254, 255 basically. Right, I think it's gonna go to 255. It's gonna retest 255, and then I think this momentum at least going to go to 58. That's what I feel. I'm gonna take one more partial on 254.80, something so close to that. Sorry, 254.60. Now I still have the 500 shares. I'm almost 1 point above 1 point up. I'm gonna take majority is 254.80 if I can get it, and I think I'm going to get it. It's really strong. Um, and then the next target would be that the 358 I think is going to close the whole distance what he had lost on Friday. Let's see if we can get the 80 or 90 something. Very nice momentum. Volume started coming in. Come on. Give me 80. Come on. Give me 80. I'm gonna take partial is selling off a little bit because this is basically very far stretched from the moving averages. So let's see if I can get it in this momentum. That would be awesome. Below 40, I want to take one more partial. Okay, I'm gonna take one more partial. So I only have now, I think 300 shares, 368, not 368, 196 shares left. Let's see if it can give us the 255. Okay, here you go. We got it. Okay, I'm a bit late in taking partial in this time. I'm gonna take one more here. I only have 100 shares left now. All right, that's the way I traded. I wanted to just record this video for you guys.